had a delay with rhythmic. Always something happens. Good morning. Am I live? Am I live? All right. As always, in a rush to start the morning session. I don't know why I just don't wake up a few minutes early. It would make my life so much easier. Good morning, guys. FOMC day. It's gonna be wild. Why can't I? I don't know what's happening right now. I gotta do this stuff off stream so I could focus. All right, we got this, we got that. We still need micros. Why didn't I save the template from yesterday? I don't know. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Shrews, I'm doing better. I was working on the recap yesterday. I just never got it done, but I was just trying to see how I would do them. Like, I don't know, would you guys want to see a recap of just the trade? Should I do it where I'm talking over it? Or should I do it where it's, talking over it when it's sped up? Or should I just play it live and just basically crop the trade from the stream and post it as a video? I'm not sure. Good morning, Slayer. We gotta do some copy trading tricks here. Okay, books. All right, the account with 52. Count 215 is going to be replaced with 226. No. 222. Should be fun. Trade safe, everyone. Yeah, how much we got? We got 4 minutes till the open here. All right, so I got both charts ready. Copy trader is on. Oh. What? Oh my God, my QUANTOWER reset. Wow, what is wrong with QUANTOWER? It just fully reset. Very important, guys, to turn this off when it resets. Confirmations. Turn all that off. Wow, what the hell? Any tips on passing evals? I suck at YOLOing them. Hedging maybe. If you suck at YOLOing them, then hedging them might be, but it's hard. It's very hard. I mean, we have FOMC, so I'll be doing a second stream later on. And I'll definitely be YOLOing some evals. Maybe scalping or YOLOing, I'm not sure yet. All right, guys, 2 minutes till the open, 2 minutes till the open. Good morning, good afternoon in Belgium, actually. Bullish, I think, after open. We'll see. Oh, hold on, guys. Forgot to turn on one of the lights. There we go. All right, market's open. Well, no, it's not. Sorry. False start. I have time to get my Red Bull. And we are off to the races. Opening range trade would have worked again. Seems like. Yep. Then opening range trade is freaking sick again. Maybe I gotta start taking it. Why is it not displaying the range? Let's see. Good morning, RH. All right, we're 2 minutes in. So far, 23 points. So I'll be taking the 5-minute opening range trade. But the regular opening range trade would have worked again. Yeah, I think I'm going to start taking the RB again on the Bullnox account. Regular opening range trade is just right at the open. It's a small scalp. All right, tighter range so far in the first 3 minutes. It's good. If the range is less than 50 points, then my target is going to be 1-to-1. Close to 1-to-1. Good luck for today. Thank you. Thank you. Likewise. Good luck, everyone. Give you some wings. This range is not displaying properly. All right, I'm getting in after this candle, at least placing the order. Hopefully it bounces now. Otherwise, that's going to be annoying. Well, safe to say I could put the order up here. I hope I don't miss it. That's the only problem. It's like with this, it's so easy to miss it on... Yeah, this is not ideal. Actually, perfect. Perfect. Okay, 48-point range. Go for that. Let's see if the small targets fill in first. Huh, interesting. This is the type of break I would want to see. Been getting some bad luck with the candles closing exactly at 5 minutes. So having to sit through some pain first. Like I wish now it would be the 5-minute open, you know, with the green candle in between. Hopefully it works out. If it breaks this, it should fill. Come on. There we go. Perfect. But yeah, that's the type of 5-minute break I would like to see. I just don't want to wait for that because what if it doesn't come? And now we just wait for the big targets. I should make it where it's like 75% of the. So this is 1,000, so 750. Need my target. Ooh, we got these lows here though. Should I just take it off there? How much profit would that be? 570. I mean, we'll keep that in mind. We'll keep the lows in mind. Maybe I'll take off some accounts. White 31 ticks, not 30. Commissions. Commissions are the only reason. See, retest the 5-minute. We do have these lows as well, so it's gonna hold up for a little bit. I mean, we're only up about 20 points, not even. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Hopefully a trap above here. 705. How many ticks? It's at top of the range. So I don't know till the range is formed. Like right now it's 48 points. I think they're both great. I think I'm trading with both. So I am in this trade. I'm also in my Top Step account. I think they're structured a lot different. I think that where Top Step kind of lacks is the eval stage. I think the evals they're behind, and I feel like they've always been behind. Then they caught up to the industry, and then now they're falling behind again with certain things, with cost and with how you got to pass them. So that's the only thing. But the actual funded accounts with Top Step, I think, are great. And but Apex, I think, has just much more potential for a big payout with small profits daily. So it all depends how you want to approach it. But I'm trading both at the same time, and you could too. So that's the beauty of it. Looks like it's going to be a range day again until FOMC maybe. See if we had the trap here at 705. Yeah, FOMC today should be interesting. If Top Step allowed 20 accounts, every other platform would be out of business. No, that's not how it works. I think Top Step would maybe have more business, but I'm not liking this at all. But hopefully I'm wrong. And it just tanks. Sharuz, I was watching the recap from yesterday, right? I recorded it and I was watching, and I don't look at the chat a lot when I'm in the trade. I don't know. I don't think you want me to show what you were saying yesterday, so that's all love, but man, you couldn't be more wrong yesterday, so Bob Joyce, no, I don't. Yeah, it bit you because you were telling me to get out of my trade when it worked. Karma. I didn't know that you were doing that live, but I saw on the recording. I was like, what? But why? When you know that the strategy is to hold, no locking in profit. It skews the risk to reward. What if I lose today and I only won $400 or $500 yesterday? That would screw the whole strategy, right? Today, if I lose, I'm gonna lose what I made yesterday, and it's fine. I really like the small targets, though. The small targets are definitely something that has me very interested, as you guys could see. Much more stress-free trades and just quick. Michael, congratulations. First payout after 7 months. Wow. Good job on not giving up. Can you show how the VWAP work in live with your trades? I am not using VWAP, so I would not be the trades by Slade. Do I recommend them? Like, I was just looking at the 34-inch ultra wide because the ultra wide has the ability to plug into, you can have two screens. I didn't know this. But you could set up the ultra wide as 2 monitors anyway. So maybe I'll do that. I don't know yet. I just don't know if I like the look of the portable monitors. Like all 4. It doesn't make the desk look like a beast. All right, let's fall apart, baby. Let's fall apart. How about this? If I win today, we'll do a giveaway for FOMC. We'll do a 50K eval giveaway. Come on, come on. Let's fall apart. Very choppy this morning. This might take a while. I mean, it's not like I'm asking for much. 38 points, but seems like the range is just stuck. Nice rejection there. Very nice rejection there. There we go. Let's go. I'm going to be watching these lows here closely. I got bought up like crazy. That's not good. That is not good at all. Damn, that is terrible. That's like a crazy trap. That might just explode. That might stop me out in like next 2 minutes. Oh man. I got excited there for a second and it just said, nope, not today, fella. That was a 15-minute break too. 15-minute opening range trade break. FOMC has nothing to do with it. Yeah, it's gonna be choppy, but doesn't mean it could be choppy as long as it doesn't go to the highs. Dane, I don't care about if it's choppy, then it's not gonna go to the highs, and it's not gonna be a problem. If it goes to the highs, then it's not choppy, and if it could get here, it could get down here. That was a huge buy up here, though. That is the kicker, I think, for today. It's this wick. I wish I had the ability to like press a button, get out of one account, you know, like stuff like that very quickly. It's just not possible. It's gonna be no, like yeah, like you know, just click on the chart position or something and get out of one account and close all the orders for that account. You know, like I could do it manually, but you have to actually go to one of the accounts that is like this account, for example. Now that's a different account. Now this account, I can move the order. Say right there. Right, so I moved that account and now, so I guess I could do it. It's just I gotta know which accounts. It's not gonna be quick. No, it's not. It's not about Steam. It's having all the charts open. You would have to have a chart open for every single account. Yeah, you could do that, but then your orders stay out. MCB. So what if I would have closed this, right? I closed the position on one account and this just dumps and it fills me in. Does Top Step have how many days it takes to pay out compared to Apex? You have to have 5 green days. I have 3 right now. Come on, I want 2 wins in a row. 2 wins in a row sets me up for such a good week. Wrong way, market, wrong way. FTT reset 5 accounts due to rhythmic issues. That was last week, right? Or over the weekend? Or was this for yesterday? Let me see how the opening trade is working on. Yes. Okay, yes. Is at the lows. Come on. We have a giveaway on the line here. Let's go. Not only payouts, but also a giveaway. My funded futures for over a week. No, there's something's up. There's no way it's taking a week to activate your live account. Or do you mean like a live account, like you got put in live from Sim? It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Feels like it wants to break out now. What a chop. Jesus Christ. It was so volatile early on and boom. But as soon as I would start scalping this, it would be a huge candle somewhere. Ultimate gamer, you could do whatever you want. You could trade whatever futures you want. So how does that work? Trade me harder. Like, couldn't you just take out all the profit and not go live? $10 and long time in this trade already, half hour. Yeah, it looks bullish for a little bit, but I hope that I'm wrong and it just pulls back slowly. Right now it's getting bought up. It's getting caught between the moving averages and it's stuck in the range. See, just like that. Come on. Yeah, the higher highs are making it very bullish here. It doesn't want to make new lows and hold lows. It just keeps going, grinding higher and higher. So I'm okay with the loss. I am completely expecting it now. So fortunately, if I lose, it's going to suck because then I can't get 2 wins in a row, which is strange when the back test showed that this wins like 80% of the time. But we're going to keep fighting it. How many days? I backtested a little over 2 months. I don't have an actual percentage. I'll do it again this weekend and get an actual percentage. With the rollovers, it's kind of tough to do a market replay. Yeah, you have rollover, you have FOMC. I mean, FOMC typically is pretty normal from what I remember until later on. Sometimes it's choppier, but you would think the volatility would be higher. Double negative, it's almost 1-to-1, but no, it's not. It's take a break-even trade? No, I'd rather lose. What is break-even gonna do for me? If I hit break even and this wins, I'll be so upset. If I lose on this trade, I will not be that upset. It's just in the chop. It's gonna break one way or the other. It won't break until FOMC. Well, George, hope you got your coffee. Because we're going to be in this trade till FOMC then. Just with prop firm, yes. Multiple prop firms. I lied. There's like $4,000 in real trading in there as well. Can we get a break? I hate that it doesn't show red, like, or doesn't show -1, like it shows 1. Now I understand why people sometimes don't know if I'm long or short. All right, we got a small break. Can we get a push? I've one account gonna get taken off here. Maybe I'll take off one account here at the lows. Come on. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. We could do it. Giveaways on the line, guys. Giveaways on the line. There we go. See? RH, you know what you're doing, bro. Come on, baby. Wow, such a small range. I'm only up $100 here. It's like, well, 200. I'm gonna take one off there too, just to like break him apart a little bit. Oh, what happened, camera? Did you go to sleep? Oh, the battery's dead on the camera, damn it. The charger's not powerful enough. No. Well, I wasn't expecting that, so now we don't have a camera. I could fix it, but don't want to walk away right now. You guys are not going to see my reaction. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. All right, we're out of that, and we're out. Let's fucking go. Patience, baby. I gotta be more vocal since you guys can't see me. Let's go. Bottom tick that. There we go. All right, now how do we fix this camera? Since I don't know if I have a USB cable that's long enough to charge this bad boy. I got an idea. Hold on. Almost there. Hold on, guys. I'm fixing it. I don't know if that's gonna work, but what a lucky trade. I'll take it. That's why I go for like 75% of the move. I don't go for 1-to-1. I go for like 75% if it's under 50. That would have sucked to miss that. What a trade. But accounts are looking healthier now. Hopefully get some payouts tomorrow. No, Friday. Need 2 more wins. And the accounts will be very healthy. All right, so that one eval that I was copy trading. Okay, we're at 2678. Let's see if we can pass this. Troll incoming. What happened? DDS Rush, you want to tell us your name so we could check your name on the payout list to see how much better you do? Let's go to trades. Let's go. I could keep gambling. I mean, that's totally fine with me. I'm here to get payouts. I don't really care what way that is. Pum pum. I really wish I had bigger accounts. Should we watch the oil news? Damn, there she goes. Oh, never mind. I thought it broke the lows. This could still break the lows and it could continue lower. So even if I didn't get out there, it would have been painful, but am I gonna give another try with funded accounts? No. With some evals. I'm gonna try to pass this eval that is at $2,678. So I need $322 to pass. Now, should I not do it? Because I'm gonna do it for entertainment. And should I just take the safer route and do it tomorrow with the small scalp profit, the $300 profit? But I will definitely be back for FOMC. Some fresh evals. But hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes. Well, this will be just an eval. I'm not touching my fundeds. But at least like the trades I take now are not like 2 seconds long, so it provides decent entertainment, right? I mean, I was in the trade for 36 minutes. It's pretty long. That's like a swing trade for me personally. Let's see what Top Step is looking like. All right, so on Top Step, I have 3 winning days already, or 4. 4 now. Is it 4? And hopefully I could get a payout. If the trade wins tomorrow and Friday, then I'm gonna request a payout just to pay myself, and I'm gonna use that payout to buy more Top Step accounts. If I was quicker, or if I had the ability to do it, I would definitely get Top Step X because there's no daily loss limit. Top Step X, no daily loss unfunded. Yeah. I don't know if on eval, do they have it on eval? I would assume no. And why can I get? I can. It's just doing the 5-minute opening range trade on 3 different charts will be very hard to do. No daily on eval. Ooh, maybe I gotta get some for later. So this is the new camera. Also, someone left a comment on my channel, so I'm not gonna really do it, but I do also have this angle. Someone wanted to have me talk into the camera so it's more personal and it feels like I'm talking to them. So that's also an option. But I think that this is more like I'm looking at the charts. I don't have to worry about looking at the camera as much. And I think it's more like cinematic and podcasty, I guess. From my experience, when I watch shorts, I don't like when the person's looking at me. I like it when they're looking off to the camera, off to the side, right? For some reason, it's easier to watch than someone staring right at you. But that's just a click of a button where I could just be like, you know. But if I do it this way, then I don't need to do my studio because then you're not going to see any of it. So what's the point of doing it, you know? All right, we're at the lows again. See if it break. All right, let's just watch news on oil. See what happens. I don't know what contract I need. X? Did oil? I don't know how the rollovers on oil work differently. I don't know which one. This is definitely not the right contract though. Definitely not enough volume. There's one. Okay. Much better. Oh, Chamber, there you go. Yeah, the direct is not possible. I'm going to show you guys why. Well, I'll show you the direct angle and how it's... I would need the direct to be in front of me. There's no way for me to have the camera in front of me with the setup that I have currently. It has to be off to the side. It could be right here. I'll just have to get a different lens, but I have two cameras now, so I plan on having two angles. Do I trade micro? Not really. There's going to be days where I take micro when the range is huge. Ronald, first time on stream. Good morning, and thanks for tuning in. Mark Anthony, yeah. A camera for the trolls is definitely going to be like just straight into the eyeballs. Do I only look at one time frame? No, I look at multiple, but with the 5-minute opening range trade, I'm mainly focusing on one. But when I actually trade, I look at 5-minute, 15, and hourly. Well, that's just to get an overall idea of where the market is. I have multiple screens. But, I mean, I went for about 75% win of the opening range. And we're going to have oil news here in a second. Let's see. That could have definitely done some damage on an eval. Oof. I wish oil news was always this clean. I would definitely pass evals on that. I don't know if I want to trade more. I feel like yesterday, I think I'm just going to save it for FOMC. I plan on streaming till 11 o'clock. This is QUANTOWER, Alper. I'm going to stream till 11, and then I'm going to be back at like 1:45. So we'll do a giveaway now, and then I'm going to buy some more evals, get them ready. Hopefully they activate quickly. If you plan on buying evals for FOMC, I would say buy them now. Don't wait till right before FOMC, because lately it's been a little bit of waiting time for the activation of accounts. And how big was my stop loss on the opening range trade? It was 49 points. So around $1,000. So I made 750. I should have made 750. Well, I took some off early. Like the all the way on the bottom account, that should have been 750 as well. I took that off way too early. That kind of skews everything, but at the same time, those accounts are not at payout yet, so it's fine. But look how quickly I got the accounts. Let's see something. So I lost on Monday, and I acted today's. So in 2 days, I got these accounts pretty high up. That's the thing with this strategy. I need like 3-4 days of wins in a row. I'll get it over the safety net, and then there's no more trailing drawdown, and then it's easy. Then it's easy after that. And pretty much passed an eval. So you got to keep doing evals with these trades. Keep doing evals, and organically, I also made money on my Bullnox account. Finally got that activated. So hopefully I'm in the market for 3 years and I've been able to be profitable. How should I learn technical analysis? Well, markets are tough. I was not profitable the first 3 years. Now, I think with prop firms, I would have been, because I was always able to make money. I just couldn't keep it. I've talked about this many, many times, so I know I'm repeating myself. But when people ask me what turned for me, is the prop firms. I was trading stocks beforehand on my personal account, and I would have a month where I make 15 grand, but 10 of that would be gone in 1 day or 2 days, right? I would lose 2 days worth of, in 2 days, I would lose almost a month worth of work. With prop firms, you take the payout, you can't lose that money anymore. So if I get these accounts to pay out, like, the thing is, with funded accounts, I also don't look at it as I made $4,000 today, right? I look at it as objectives. I look at it as I got to get to 2,700 plus on these accounts and then I make money. I don't look at it as I made 4.3 thousand because I didn't get 4.3 thousand dollars richer today, right? It's only the payouts that matter. But once you take the payouts, you really can't lose them by trading. The only way you can lose them is by buying more accounts, which is different, right? But yeah, so everyone probably seen videos where they talk about sticking to rules, sticking to your strategy, discipline, all those things they talk about. But the hardest thing to figure out is the strategy. Like no one has a profitable strategy in the beginning. So how the hell are you sticking to rules or sticking to consistency and sticking to discipline when you don't have a strategy that works, right? That is the hardest thing to do. And I think that's why a lot of people jump around from one strategy to the next just because they want to try different things. But that is the hardest part, is figuring out something that works. Like I lost on my opening range trade last week. The opening range trade is different from the 5-minute. My opening range trade is right here. Okay. Easy last few days. But I have not been taking it because I lost badly on it last week. So now I'm just going to do the 5-minute opening range trade. Now the 5-minute opening range trade, there's a lot more room to breathe. There's a lot more profits to be made. So it's not like if I lose on the 5-minute opening range trade, it's not like I got to trade for 10 days and hopefully that doesn't fall apart. But my charger for this camera is new. It's a beast, so it needs a more powerful charger, but it's a heavy brick. But anyway, trading is so difficult. So anyone that says it's easy, or anyone says that market's gonna do this for sure, they don't know. That's the only thing is they don't know. And that's why I hate when people, that's my biggest trigger, is when people come in here and tell you what to do. Because clearly if they knew what they were doing exactly, they wouldn't be on stream watching someone. They would be on a boat somewhere in the in the warm islands, just chilling, being very rich, right? Because if you knew, then you could make money every single day and you wouldn't have time to be on YouTube. You would be doing something else. For me, number one rule is define risk. Yeah, that's a good rule, but how do you define risk? What is your risk, right? How do you determine your risk? Is it based on the chart? Is it based on the static amount, right? Is it always the same? Is it based on the range? Is it based on the level? How do you determine that? And how do you know what's proper, right? Without first testing a bunch of ways and seeing a bunch of ways play out. For me, risk has always been the toughest part. Why? Because I always get stopped out and the trade goes right away in the direction of my profit. When I don't use a stop loss, I feel like I'm a little bit more, or at least if I have a wide stop loss, I feel like I'm a little bit more at ease with my entries. I'm not thinking about it, whether I'm very accurate, right? It's a little bit easier to just, get in the trade and then not be as tense, therefore usually making the better decision, versus if I have a stop loss, I'm overthinking it, right? If I try to scalp for 10 ticks with no stop loss, I'm doing it much better than if I have a 40 tick stop loss, that stop loss is going to get hit so many times. Vivek, so I would say go trade with prop firms like we are trading with. You're going to save yourself a lot of money. Now, I'm not saying you can't spend a lot, but you have to just not gamble the evals. I think that's the biggest cost. For me, when I started going ham on the 250K evals, I legit spent so much money and my evals jumped so much because of the 250Ks. I mean, it was horrible. Just couldn't pass them for the life of me. Now it's $85 lifetime for all the accounts. So now I just don't really have much of a reason to go bigger than 50K. I would like to go to 150K. I think those would be ideal because of trailing drawdown, right? If I have a trade that's going to go almost to my target and then reverse and hit my stop loss, that trailing drawdown is going to get destroyed. If I buy 300K with your code, will it be lifetime, sir? Well, yeah. For now, till end of this month, yeah. Thank you for using my code, by the way. Anyone that's been using it, I appreciate you guys. I know Apex has been kind of on a lot of people's nerves, but I think they've been doing some great improvements with payouts and stuff. So hopefully we see some changes with some of their policies. I think that will be another great step forward, right? If they change the payout window to, I don't care about the 10 days. I would like to see 10 days and that's it. So there's no need to wait for, let's say, because now I'm worried about getting these accounts to profit by Friday, right? Because Friday is the last day to request the payout. Now I'm worried about to Friday. But if there was no window, then I don't care if I get it Friday, if I get it Monday, or if I get it Tuesday or Wednesday, right? I could give myself extra 2-3 days to get to the profit that I need to. Especially now if they're approving fast, I'm not going to have time to grow the accounts while being, pending. If I'm pending for 5 days, 6 days, that's better for me because I could grow the cushion on these accounts. Corey, very nice, very nice. Can you show the 2 pictures of your setup you showed yesterday? Sure. So this is my current setup right now. This was my setup in the other room that I was using while I was building out this one. While I was building out this one. I mean, look at this desk, guys. There's not a single cable visible. I mean, this desk is incredible. All the cables hide in this channel. There's a mess of cables. I mean, so these screens are portable screens. They're 16-inch screens. 2K resolution, 2560 by 1600. It's even bigger. So it's not even 16 by 9. It's 16 by 10. So it's a little bit better. And I'm able to do a lot of things for streaming purposes. So I could put a camera in here if I separate them a little bit more. But I'm thinking about getting an ultra wide 34-inch up top and then having these. But I'm waiting for my whole desk setup There's like a tray. There's like a riser. You guys will see once I'm all done. This is good for streaming because I could have my streaming platform. I could have my chat. I could have my Discord. I could have multiple charts open. You know, there's like I'm always watching the stream now versus before I could never see the stream. And sometimes I would be showing things that are not on screen. And how much was the desk? I paid $1,600 for it because I got a lot of extras. Like the arms for the monitors are almost $300. The desk itself is $950, but if you want the PC mount, right, that's like $80. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway because I'm gonna be ending the stream. I'm gonna go get lunch. I'm gonna relax for a little bit because I'll be back for FOMC today. Okay, so let's do a giveaway for the win. You could use Stream Deck for trading, yeah. Yeah, it is steep. That's why a lot of people want it, but a lot of people can't afford it. So here's the thing. Even for me, right? Even for me, when I got the desk or right before it got to me, I had a little bit of regret for buying it. I'm like, I could have just built a channel. Now I understand how the channel works. You could just build a similar channel in the wood desk, right? Everyone wants to hang the cables underneath. No, don't do that. Make like a channel behind the desk and it would work, right? But I had a little bit of regret because I have a standing desk already. Like this is a standing desk already, right? So I also have this monitor. So first this was like a test which one I would prefer, the portable monitors or this one. This one is massive. I mean, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, after I end the stream, or maybe I should put this up here with like logos. That'd be sick. It could be like a picture frame, but that would be, this is an expensive monitor, so I'm gonna return it. But yeah, maybe up here I should put a picture frame from a monitor. So if I hang the monitor there, I could show pictures. Because if I do my DJ consultations, I could show my DJ logo or, you know, videos from the weddings or something like that. Versus when I'm doing YouTube, I could do YouTube related stuff. I don't know. What is the desk brand? It's Secret Lab. I do not have a chair yet. My chair was so old, I got rid of it. Thinking I would have a chair by now. But now I've been standing for like 2 weeks. Hold on, guys. right, let's run this giveaway here. Hold on, guys. The giveaway is not live yet. What platform is this? It's QUANTOWER. All right, type Alpine to enter. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes to enter. Once we enter, we will be doing the giveaway. I don't think I'm going to do a race today, though. Haven't been around in a while, someone said. Let's see. Have they eased up a bit or have you changed? I changed a little bit. I mean, they depends who you ask, you know. Depends who you ask. If you have other options and you prefer to trade with someone else, go for it. For me, the ability to scale up with 20 accounts, I mean, is amazing. The only other option is fast track right now. How do you take partials on QUANTOWER? Daddy Trader, if you're coming from futures on Forex or CFDs, that's different. So partials on QUANTOWER, if you are taking multiple contracts, this is an eval. I'm not gonna, actually I could just maybe do another eval. Let's see. Okay. So let's see, this is, okay, so I'm in, right? If I wanted to do a partial, I would just select one and I would, you know, start scaling out. Break even, and then we'll just do that. Quick scalp one. That's a big eval though. It renewed. I forgot about it. I might use this for FOMC. So easy though. All right, guys. You guys have 2 more minutes to enter. 2 more minutes. Do you guys want the race or just pick one person? Who wants to see a race? Let's see. All right, guys, vote. Got 1 minute left. 1 minute. Wow, it's so split. No, the race is winning right now. The race is winning. Oh, pick one person. Wow, it's 50-50. Jeez. I thought the race would for sure win. I prefer to do the one person right now because it's gonna be less time. It's 50. All right, let's wait till a little bit more votes. Come on, vote, guys, vote. Do a race to decide whether to do a race. I like that. It's very easy to do. You were probably joking, but we're gonna do it Alpine style. All right, we're gonna determine the next 20 seconds. Alpine style, baby. No, look at that guy. No race. No race. All right. One person, one lucky person is going to win. That was good. We should do that, whether we should go long or short on FOMC. Wow, it's legit 50-50 on the split. All right, guys, I'm going to close the giveaway. I'm going to close the giveaway, guys, at 11 o'clock. So 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds, 11 o'clock, closing it. You must have PayPal or Venmo. Ten seconds. Nine seconds. And 5 and 4 and 3, 2 and 1. All right, guys, this is for the 50K eval giveaway or some Red Bulls, whatever you want to buy. Remember that I will be back at 1:45, so 15 minutes before FOMC. I'll be back to live. All right, so tune in for that. I'll be doing some evals, at least one or two. And the winner of the giveaway is the final countdown. Is the final countdown here? What a chop. What a chop today. Final countdown. Dun, dun, dun. All right, he is here. So send me an email with your Venmo or your PayPal, whatever you prefer. And just take a screenshot of your YouTube so I know it's you. She is here. Oh, look at that. We got another female trader in the house. See, you can never assume in a male-dominated industry. That is awesome. New trading rules for payouts? No. Has it been announced? Dom Trader, what's happening with Fast Track? Why can't you trade? Do they still have issues? Yeah, I mean, I did see that Fast Track has, when you go to Rhythmic Trader Pro, there's a Fast Track server already there. I guess it's not live yet though. Yeah, they blew up way too quick. They're popular. It's why when people complain about like Apex, oh my God, Fast Track, so much better, fast payouts, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, just wait, just wait. When they were doing $1 million in payouts or whatever, that's easy. But try doing, $2, $3, $4, $5 million in payouts. How many more people you have to deal with? Customer service, all this stuff is taking a lot longer. Because when I first heard that Scott was doing the payouts only, I'm like, how's that possible? Yeah, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. At least they reset the accounts. As long as they reset the accounts, that's good. Can you use Ninja with Fast Track? I don't know if you could. I mean, if you have the license for Ninja, I don't know why you wouldn't be able to, but I'm not 100% sure. Not yet? Okay. How much is reset for Fast Track? I have no idea. I don't think you could reset. You just got to buy a new account. How does the 100K static account work for Apex? What's the payout number? I think it's very small. I think it's only like 1,000. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. I will be... Someone actually said that in my comments that I'm doing this so Apex could see me. I'm like, no, this is from a cinematic point of view. I feel like it gives a whole experience when you just see the desk. You see like more of, I mean, we could go and zoom in, but then there's no point of working on we could do this, but then there's no point of doing anything on the walls because then you can't see anything, right? And I got to talk like this, and I will just have to put the camera more. So I'm looking like this at the camera, which would work, but I don't know. We'll have both. I'm also gonna make different layouts. So maybe when I'm gonna go over trades, I'm gonna go, in a different layout. We'll see. But I'm gonna go return one of the monitors because it's one of the last days to return it. I'm gonna go get lunch, and I'll be back at 1:45. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this stream open though. I'm just gonna start a new stream. I think that's gonna be better. Final countdown. I just sent it. Thank you. And congrats again. All right, guys. I'll see you in about 2.5 hours. All right. Be good. And don't forget to smash the like button and hit the notifications. I'll see you guys at 1:45.